Crash Course on Uruguay, Wine Country. Welcome to a crash course on Uruguay, where we embark on a journey through the country's wine regions and vineyards. Uruguay may be small in size, but it boasts a rich winemaking tradition and produces exceptional wines. Join us as we share interesting stories, highlight the top 12 attractions of Uruguay's wine country, and capture the essence of this enchanting destination in a poetic tribute. Uruguay's winemaking history dates back to the 19th century when European immigrants brought their vine cuttings and expertise to the fertile lands of this South American nation. Today, Uruguay is known for its boutique wineries, picturesque vineyards, and unique grape varietals that thrive in its favorable climate and rich soils. Here are some interesting stories and examples to excite you about Uruguay's wine country. 1. The Tanat grape. Uruguay is renowned for its production of Tanat wines, a robust red wine varietal that finds its perfect expression in the country's terroir. This grape variety has adapted exceptionally well to Uruguay's climate, resulting in deep, full-bodied wines with rich tannins. 2. Bodega Garzón. One of Uruguay's leading wineries, Bodega Garzón, has gained international recognition for its sustainable practices and award-winning wines. Located in the idyllic countryside, the winery offers stunning views of the vineyards and an immersive wine tasting experience. 3. Tanat Festival. The Tanat Festival, held in Montevideo, celebrates the signature grape variety of Uruguay with wine tastings, live music, and cultural events. It is a vibrant celebration of the country's winemaking heritage and a must-visit for wine enthusiasts. 4. Pueblo Edian. Discover the charming village of Pueblo Edian, nestled amidst rolling hills and vineyards. This picturesque destination offers a tranquil ambiance, boutique wineries, and delightful wine and food experiences. 5. Wine routes. Explore the wine routes that wind through Uruguay's wine regions, such as the Canelones wine route and the Colonia wine route. These routes take you on a scenic journey through vineyards, inviting you to taste exquisite wines and experience the warm hospitality of the local winemakers. 6. Tasting experiences. Immerse yourself in the world of Uruguayan wines through guided tastings at various wineries. Learn about the winemaking process, sample different varietals, and gain insights into the region's winemaking techniques and traditions. 7. Wine and gastronomy pairing. Indulge in the art of pairing wine with Uruguayan cuisine. From traditional asados, barbecues, to hearty stews and local cheeses, the flavors of Uruguay beautifully complement the country's wines, creating a delightful gastronomic experience. 8. Wine museums. Visit wine museums like the Huánuco Wine Museum and the Museum of the Agricultural and Industrial History of Uruguay, where you can learn about the history, culture, and significance of winemaking in Uruguay. 9. Harvest festivities. Experience the vibrant atmosphere of the harvest season in Uruguay. Participate in grape picking, witness traditional rituals, and celebrate the culmination of months of hard work with music, dancing, and wine tastings. 10. Boutique wineries. Discover hidden gems among Uruguay's boutique wineries, where passionate winemakers craft limited production wines with a focus on quality and innovation. These smaller-scale wineries offer personalized experiences and a chance to meet the people behind the wines. 11. Wine cellars. Explore historic wine cellars, such as the Antigua Bodega Stagnari, which dates back to the late 19th century. These cellars provide a glimpse into Uruguay's winemaking heritage and are often accompanied by guided tours and tastings. 12. Wine festivals. Attend wine festivals and events throughout the year, such as the Uruguayan Wine Fair, where you can sample an extensive selection of wines from different regions and wineries in one place. In summary, Uruguay's wine country is a captivating destination for wine lovers and those seeking a unique and immersive experience. From the robust Tanat wines to the picturesque vineyards and warm hospitality of the winemakers, Uruguay offers a wine journey filled with flavor, history, and enchantment. And now, a poem inspired by the allure of Uruguay's wine country. Amidst rolling hills and sun-kissed vines. Uruguay's wine country, where beauty aligns. Tanat grapes, bold and deep. Wine flowing, secrets to keep. Bodega Garzón, a sanctuary of taste. Award-winning wines, a masterful embrace. Pueblo Edian, a village so serene. Where wines whisper, landscapes pristine. Wine routes winding through the land. Unveiling treasures, a guided hand. Tastings and pairings, gastronomic delight. Uruguayan flavors, a symphony in every bite. Harvest season, a vibrant affair. Grapes picked with love, the air rich and rare. Boutique wineries, passion in each sip. Crafting wines, a personal trip. Cellars steeped in history's embrace. Whispering tales of time and grace. Festivals alive with laughter and cheer. Toast to the wines, a celebration near. In Uruguay's wine country, nature and art unite. A sip, a moment, pure delight. So raise your glass, let your spirit soar. In Uruguay's wine country, forevermore. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.